birthday, America. Founded on faith, love, and bravery. 250 years ago, beneath the starry sky, a dream was born in distant fields where hope refused to die. With faith that moved the mountains, with love that held us strong, and bravery to carry on, we sang a freedom song. We were founded on faith, on hearts that believe, on love that united, on dreams we conceived. Through battles and trials, we stood proud and free. This land built together for you and for me. From every creed and corner, from every distant shore, we came to build a future bright, a promise to restore. With courage as our compass and justice as our guide, we found our strength in unity, with hope on every side. The torch of freedom burning bright, a beacon through the years. We lift our voices to the light and conquer all our fears. We were founded on faith. We were founded on faith, on hearts that believe, on hearts that believe, on love that united, on dreams we conceived. Through battles and trials, we stood proud and free. This land built together for you and for me. So let us celebrate today, this legacy we share. With faith, love, and bravery, we'll always persevere. A birthday for a nation, a future shining bright, founded on these virtues. For